Ke ngibuze bantu bakithi ukuthi kahle nxa uzidistressa, how do you distress? Mina self, one of the things that I love to do to distress is to take a walk around the neighborhood. Ngeke ngizithathele nje i-walk ngikhohlwe ngento eziningi, ngicabange ngempilo yami. Do you ever give yourself that chance? Ukuthi nje ukube lalokho abathi yi-me time, isikhathi sakho nje wedwa, away from your spouse, away from your children, away from your cats and dogs, just nje ukuwalke ku-neighborhood, appreciate i-nature, kube nguwe nje connected with just nature, kungekho kunye, just you nomgwaqo, labantu ohlangana labo emgwaqweni nxa bekhona. But preferably uzihambele nje in an area ethuleyo lapho zenelisa khona ukuthi reflect on your life, whether it is about reflecting on mistakes or errors that you could have made in life, things that people have told you about, whether izinto ezinhle or kumbe izinto ezimbi, whether it is reflect about impilo nje in general, ukuthi uyakuphi. Do you ever give yourself a chance to do that? Mina, this very moment is one of those times for me. Amaplana amamanengi empilweni ngiwayenza ngisemgwaqweni ngiziwokhela, so whether ngiyabe ngizidlalela music yami or kuthulisele nje endlebeni zami kungela lutho engilaleleyo, just talking nje. Yeah. So ngezinye izinto ezokuthi you do it and it gets you somewhere. Uyazi ukuthi one thing engiyaziyo ukuthi impilo engela reflection on yourself, reflection of whether you are coming of whether it's where you are coming from versus where you are going to, impilo engelakho ukuba lezibuko zona lezo esemuva lesaphambili, hayi iba nzima when it comes to development. So ngithenge ngishare lani a moment when I'm on the road just walking, nothing much, xoxa lani nje. Namhla ngithe hayi wathini ngiliyekele lingidisturb kuwalk yami ethuleyo. But usually ama-walks ami, they are more like 2 to 3 hour walks at any given day, at least maybe twice or so times a week, which would make up about maybe 15 or so kilometers at any given time. Yeah. So that gives me a lot of time to think. Lalapho engiyabe ngixabane khona labantu, ngicabangela kuzona lezi walk to reflect on those conflicts. Nxa ngixola, ukuxola kwakhona ngicabangela kuwona lama walks. Ngoba sometimes ungazitshela ukuthi usendlini ungekhaya, you can also think, kodwa sometimes remaining in the same environment, no matter how beautiful of a mansion it is, akuzi lama solutions uyabowafuna. But nxa usendaweni ethuleyo nje uzinakekele wena wedwa, things can change very fast ngemicabango obalayo.